Alright, so about a month ago, I posted a video where I shared with you guys 5 passive income ideas. And I think 2 weeks after, I posted another video talking about how much I made from investing 1,000 US dollars in the US stock market. Ever since then, I've been getting a couple of questions from you guys asking me how I created my Trove account, how I funded my wallet, as well as what I actually did invested in. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can actually set up your Trove account from the very beginning until the very end, as well as sharing with you how you can fund your Trove wallet using your Naira debit card, or even if you have a dollar credit card or a dollar debit card. I have my Naira debit card here and I have my dollar credit card here. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video how to do all of those stuff. So if you are interested in that, then sit back and keep on watching. Hello, what's up and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. My name is Nehemi and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. Please be sure you subscribe to me by clicking on the subscribe button down below. Also turn on the notification bell beside it so you can get notified when I post similar content related to this one right here. Okay, so in this video, like I mentioned earlier, we're going to be talking about Trove, investing, and all of those things. But please note that I am not a financial advisor of any sort. This video is for educational purposes only, and please I would advise that you do not invest in what you don't know about. Please read books, watch videos, and be sure of whatever it is you want to do when it comes to investing before you actually invest in whatever you want to invest in. So you won't say, oh, I watched this person video and she said you should do this. No, this video is just for educational purposes, and it is what I've done, and it has worked for me. I already have one video where I shared with you how much I made from investing 1,000 US dollars in the US stock market. So the link to that is going to be in the description box. Make sure to check that out. Moving ahead to the main Trove wallet, the main Trove account, you want to make sure you download Trove from your Play Store or from your Apple Store. And it is very, very simple. Just go to your Play Store or your Apple Store and you can get that app downloaded. I'm going to leave a link in the description box. When you use that link to download, when you download via that link, you're going to be getting 5 shares from GT Bank or 5 shares from Dangote Sugar. So make sure you use the link in the description box to get free shares, guys. So that being said, now let's move ahead into our Trove account. If you are just starting for the very first time, this is going to be like a guide. So I'm going to be opening a fresh account for you guys so that you see what I'm actually talking about. So let me log out from this one. Let me log out. Okay, now when you download the Trove account, you're going to have something like this, and then you want to like sign into Trove if you already have a Trove account. But if you don't have, you can get started here. I have a couple of emails I can use. Okay, let's use a random email, deshola okay at gmail.com. Okay, say for example I want to use deshola as my password, right? Then my phone number, okay, 0. Okay, now continue. It's going to prompt me to continue, and password must contain. All right, so let me change my password. Additional me 11. Okay, that should work. Now, this is the next step from that part. You have to upload your NIN verification, but because I already have an account, I won't be able to do that. So I'm going to skip that process. But here, I'm going to select my gender. I'm a female. My date of birth, May 14th, and 1996. Okay. Now my NIN number, you actually do need this to like complete this process, but I'm just going to use something random. So I think it's about 11 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, continue. Wow, unable to resolve NIN. So anyway, from here, I think from here, when you get to this process, you want to make sure you input your right NIN. That way, it's just for verification purposes. So I think this is where I'm going to stop from here. I was actually thinking I'll be able to bypass this process, but apparently I'm not able to do so. So after this place, the next thing you will need to do is to confirm your date of birth. You need to upload your NIN or your international passport or anything related to that can actually confirm your identity. It might not be your NIN, it could be your international passport or your driver license, anything you have available that you basically, just the way you would open a bank account is the way you are opening this one, because it is an investment platform. So you want to make sure that all your details are correct and up to date. Now, that being said, let me log in back to my account. Okay. Alright, so this is what my dashboard is looking like right now. To fund your Trove wallet, you want to go to your wallet, my wallet here, and as you can see, I have the Nigerian Naira wallet as well as the US dollar wallet. Now I'm going to click on my US dollar wallet because I believe that you watching this video want to actually invest in the US stock market. Now we have the withdrawal options and we have the deposit option, and I'm going to click on the deposit options. Now when you click on the deposit option, you have these 4 other options right here. You have the bank transfer, you have the wire transfer, you have the card payment, and you have another card payment. Now, the first card payment is Naira to dollar. The second card payment is dollar to dollar. We're going to click on the Naira to dollar, okay? And here what it means that you're going to use your Naira debit card to fund your Trove wallet, okay? Now, this is my Naira debit card. I'm using an Access Bank card. Okay, say for example, I want to deposit. Okay, dollar is currently 508 Naira. Say I want to deposit $10, which is 5,800. Now, as you can see here, I have $10 to be deposited in my Trove wallet, and they would be charging me 81 Naira 20 kobo just to deposit 5,800 Naira, which is $10. Okay, if I'm to deposit $100, they're going to be charging me 812 Naira. It's not up to 10%, I guess. It's more than 10%. I don't know. I'm not about to calculate that. But basically, this is where you're going to be charged for funding your wallet with $100. If we want to fund our wallet with like $1,000, you're going to be charged 2,000 Naira. And from what I've noticed, even if I'm funding it with 5 million Naira, I'm going to be charged 2,000 Naira. 58 million Naira, as you can see, it's still 2,000 Naira. So if you want to like deposit 100,000 Naira, it's still 2,000 Naira. Okay, so I think, okay, this is 1 million. 100,000 is 1.4, but I know from 200,000 is 2,000 Naira. Yes, from 200,000 is 2,000 Naira. So whenever you want to deposit fund into your account, please note the exchange rate and how much you're going to be charged for processing fee. So again, back to $10 because I don't want to deposit this. Back to $10, I'm going to enter 5,800 Naira, okay? And I'm going to click on done. Now, instant deposit disabled because of no deposit fee. But if I want deposit fee, I'll be charged probably $1 or something. But yeah, I don't want any deposit fee, and I'm going to proceed to payment. What this basically means is that the money is not going to reflect in your account immediately. That is it. So proceed to payment, and they're going to input your card details. So yeah, let's do that quickly. Okay. Continue. Alright, so it's going to redirect you to like the OTP page where you kind of like confirm that you're actually using your card, and you can see I received an OTP message almost immediately. So I'm going to enter the OTP into this box right here. Click on next. I'm going to wait for this to verify it. All right, so as you can see, it says charge has been successful, and you can see the email rolling in. So let's see what email I have here. Your order has been received. Your deposit request for $10 has been received and is being processed. Keep in mind, USD deposit could take up to 48 hours or 2 working days to settle into your account. So that's basically how you can fund your Trove wallet using your Naira debit card. Now let's move to your dollar debit card. It's basically the same process, just that you have to click on a different option and you are using a different card, and then you're going to be charged a different processing fee. Now let's check it out. Okay, now you just want to go back to my wallet, then deposit fund again. But here, since we are using a dollar debit card, I think this is a credit card, I'm not sure. I'm going to click on card payment dollar to dollar, because this is a dollar card and not a Naira card. Okay, so here, proceed, continue, and say I want to like deposit $5. For $5, I'm going to be charged 15 cents. I think this is, yes, 15 cents for depositing $5, for funding my wallet with $5. Okay, now let's continue and let's see. Oh, it says the minimum required is $10. Okay, let's do $10. Proceed to payments, and for $10, I'm being charged $0.29, which is 29 cents. Let's see for $100. So for $100, I'm going to be charged 2.9, 29. Wow. So I think it's just advisable to like fund your wallet with your Naira debit card. But if you have a dollar card and you don't mind, then you can go ahead with it. So I'm just going to fund it with $10. Proceed to payments. Okay, now I'm going to input my card details as well here. Okay, continue. So here it's going to ask me to receive OTP or use my token. Now I'm going to press my token and see what code pops up. 645192. Submit. Please wait while approved. So as you can see, the emails are rolling in again. So I've successfully funded my wallet with $10 from this account as well. So guys, it is very easy and very straightforward. Now if you go back to your US dollar wallet on your dashboard, you can see $10 processing, $10 processing. I've tried a couple of $10 in the past that failed because I was trying to work something out, but it didn't work. Okay, so I have this $10 processing. As you can see, transaction processing, this is also the first $10 we tried, and they have different transaction reference. And yeah, that's just basically how to fund your Trove wallet using your Naira debit card or your dollar debit card or your dollar debit credit card, especially if you're in Nigeria. And I believe it's going to work for you if you are not in Nigeria as well. If you are probably in other African countries, this method should work for you, because I know for a fact that there's GT Bank in some other African countries. I don't know about Access Bank. Okay, yeah, so that's basically how to fund your Trove wallet. If you've been asking, I want to assume that you're not going to ask me this question again. Please watch this video, and you guys should read the description box for more details. So yeah, when it comes to like investing, like I mentioned earlier, the first time I invested in Tesla, in Facebook, in Google, in Apple, and in Amazon. Yeah, and so far Tesla has been the only company that has been really doing well. I think I've made like quite a little bit of money from buying Tesla stocks and shares, followed by, I don't know, but Tesla is the only one that has actually not dropped. Other ones has been like fluctuating, which is only normal. Let me check. Yeah, Tesla is just like, I mean, like I've made almost $70 just by investing in Tesla alone. And Amazon is still like on 8, Google is still 5, Facebook has dropped drastically. Even Apple has dropped. And then I have Dangote Sugar as well as GT Bank. So yeah, that's just basically how to fund your Trove wallet. And if you've been wanting to like try this out, or you're very new to investing, I'm not a pro like I mentioned earlier, and I am not a financial advisor. If you need any sort of knowledge, or if you need advanced knowledge, you can read articles or books, or just Google is like your best friend, and you'll be sure to get like other quality responses out there, I believe, rather than just judging or just working on whatever it is I am telling you here today. So yeah, this is going to be the end of this video. I hope I've been able to share with you guys one or two things that you have been asking me from my previous videos. Okay, so please make sure to watch this video until the very end. I believe if you are